Okay, so part 4 of IPSec VPN package tracer physical view. We've set up our IPSec VPN and now we're moving on to configuring or verifying whether we apply the IPSec map or crypto map to the correct interface. So currently it's applied to the inner interface, and we're not able to ping. So let's try to connect to our local router 92.168.1 dot or 10.10.1 and log in. Okay. All right, and let's show run. Let's see where we are. So we have our IPsec transform set, crypto map. Crypto map is IPsec map, and it's currently applied to the which interface? It's applied to the G01, G001, and we want to apply to the G000 because that is the external interface. So I'm going to undo this and then apply it here. So actually, let me just copy this IPsec map. Click this, conf T interface G0. What was the interface? G000. But we want to start with G001 and say no crypto map IPsec map. All right. So once we take that out, okay, so ISACamp is off. Now interface G000, and we will say crypto map IPsec map. And now ISACamp is on. Let me save that, and let me try connecting to the other side, if that works, if I'm able to. The branch office side through our config. So it is the yes 200.1. If this doesn't work, I will get in my car and drive over to the branch office, go on a computer and SSH in there. That is not ideal, but all right. So connection timed out, remote host not responding. All right, let's call someone at the local site and see if we can do a different type of remote session. All right, so go into the branch office, hop in on this PC, command prompt, and connecting to the local router. Password. It should have similar config. Show run. Should show us IPsec map. It's correct, but it's also applied to the inner interface, and we want it to be on the outer interface. So I will copy this. Quit. Conf D. Enter. Interface G001. No. And no paste. Oh no. No. Oh, it's still going. This is it's quite the lag for packet tracer. IPsec map. Take it out. Okay. And interface G000 will say paste. Essentially crypto map IPsec map. And press enter to apply it, and it should turn back on. So now it's on. And from R3, let's see if I can ping the 209.165.100.1. I'm able to ping that. Should be able to ping that, at the very least. And I do have success. Okay. And And let's exit, save. I ping that from PC. Exit, and we try to ping the. So where am I? I am on the 192. I want to ping the 192.168.10.100 PC, which is on the complete opposite end. And let's see if request timed out. Is it because of ARP, or is it because it's actually not getting there? We shall see. It doesn't look like it's getting there. Let me try pinging something that is relatively close. Or let me do a trace route. Trace route 209.165.100.1. Okay, we get to our router. And that's as far as it goes. Request timed out. What is the problem? Request timed out again. Let's see, show it's the router, but it doesn't touch the so show reconnect local router, and let me check the config. Show IP interface brief. Okay, on local router we have external interface 209.165.200.1. Internal interface is 192.168.3.1. What is the IP configuration of this local device? So I'm going to config in 3.100, 255/24. That's all correct. All right. So let's see. Why won't you ping? Ping 192.168.10.100. Okay, I'm getting unidentified network. Okay. What if I say 209.165.100.1? I think I tried that earlier and that was successful. Okay. So show access list. Permit 192.168.3.0 to go to 192.168.10.0. One match. Is that the proper IP? Is it 10? Let me verify. Oops, I don't need to be in here. I can find out from over here. Oh, it's not 10. It's 100. It's 100. I'm pinging the wrong IP address. Let me verify. Let's go to. Oh, is it 100 or is it 10? I'm confused. Show IP interface brief. 100.1. Oh, that's the outside. 10.1. Yes. So this is 10.1. Show access list. Access list. Only one. So not too worried about seeing a huge show access list. Okay, permit the 100. I made a mistake. I need to fix that. I need to put the 10 to the 3. So let's go to IP access list, extended, ACL 2R3, and we will say no permit. I'll copy and paste this. Take that out. No command. Copy and paste. And then once this processes, I will paste it again and change the 100, make that a 10, so that anything from the 10 network can get to the 3 network, because currently it's being denied with the implicit deny. Okay, let's do that. All right, let's save. Hopefully, should be able to ping now. Exit this all together. Exit. And once the command prompt window comes up, I'll rerun the ping command. All right, so let's ping our start with 100.2. That's should be able to get there, no problem. It's the neighboring router on the same that shares a connection on our end. I'm not able to ping that, but can I ping the 192.168? Ping 192.168.3.1. Let's see. Oh, look at that. We have a response. So it was the access list. All right, so that's resolved. Now, let's see. I should be able to SSH to the 200.1. Or no, I won't use the SSH to. I'm not using the external interface. I should use the internal, the 192.168.3.1. That should work. There we go. That. And so that is that. Show crypto to what do we want to say? Show crypto ISACamp or IPSec. Let me see what the options are. Show IPSec SA. Show crypto IPSec SA. And we should see. Oh, this is taking even longer. Now I'm going across. I wonder if it's because of the encryption. It's causing it to use a lot more processing. All right, so status is active. It's more than what we had before. Outbound is our AH SAS. Outbound PCP SAS. We have our local crypto endpoint 209.165.200. All right, this is working pretty lovely. All right, so this is the full configuration of our crypto ISACamp policy. Maybe I'll build on this and expand the network a little more, add a DHCP server, maybe add a wireless LAN controller. But for now, this is it. We configured this office to communicate with this office without exposing our local traffic to the internet, and making these two connect as if you're directly connected with each other. So that's the end of this lab. Thank you for your effort. You know, every they say it takes about 10,000 hours to develop mastery. And mastery does not come from just reading. You have to actually do the work. You have to make mistakes, read instruction manuals, and get better. This is the way to do it, and this is the way I do it. And as I do these labs, I'm getting better, and hopefully it helps you out there who are looking for some resources. The physical view is very important because if we go, in the real world, you're going to be walking into a building. You're going to have a floor plan. You're going to have a rack. You're going to have to mount. I mean, currently we're not actually holding these switches and routers in real life, but it's pretty close. You get to see how things interconnect. You have a fiber patch panel. Connecting to your ISP. You have a copper patch panel connecting to your users. This is pretty realistic. You're consoled into the device rather than just clicking on it and getting your CLI here and working through this. This is a useful tool, and I encourage you to continue to use it and grow. All right, I'll make more videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. You have a wonderful day. Thank you.